Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So as you see in my old videos of unboxing of these three mice, I told you I'll make a review video of all the three mice, and I just added this one which I was using before I got these three. So let's see what the plus and minuses and which one is the best. Actually, I cannot tell you which one is the best. You have to decide, and let's see all the mice one by one. So first of all, let's measure my hand and show you the dimensions. So I am almost 18 centimeters. My palm is almost 18 centimeters by 9 centimeters. If you have a big hand, you don't need to have a big mouse. So now let's see one by one. So first I purchased this one. After using this mice, there was not much difference. Yes, the texture is different. Maybe because I have been using this mice for 2 years, this texture feels different, quite matte, and you can feel it. But even if you feel it, you will feel that you must be getting much better grip than this, but that's not the case. This one has better grip than the new one. This tends to slip out of your hand quite easily, although there is a matte kind of a texture to it. Keys, although they are solid and they are not wobbly like this mouse, but I sometimes feel that I'm sometimes misfiring in my games. I feel with this mouse. Maybe it's just a ping issue or something, but I never felt with this mice. I would use this mouse rather than this mouse. So in this comparison, this one wins it. So now let's go ahead. This is the Logitech, and I thought that this is a very slippery mouse, and how I'm supposed to handle this mouse, and it just falls out of your hand. So if you're using these mice for first person FPS games, then you have to lift the mouse, and there is the issue of lifting the mouse, because the grip is so less. It seems to be a problem. There's one more thing about this mouse which I don't like, is the clicks. Both the clicks, they are so light. They're just like feather touch. So if I rest my index finger on this left key, it presses the button. It can't hold the weight of my finger. I don't know if that is a flaw with this particular model, or I have got a piece which has quite soft keys. But it seems to be that if I have to use this mouse for any games, then I have to be extremely careful that I don't rest my fingers on the keys, because otherwise the mouse clicks. I got so many misfires just because I was moving the mouse around and my weight of my finger just clicked the fire button. So I've lost quite a few hits because of that. Other than that, accuracy of this mice is, I think it's better than this. Although this is a wireless, the accuracy is much better than this. So would I use this mouse over this mouse? Yeah, actually I would. Over this mouse, I would prefer this mouse. Would I prefer this mouse over this mouse? That's quite a debatable question. Both are equally good for me. Equally good. Yeah. But if you see the ease of use of this mouse, then it hands down this is better than this. Yeah. See these keys on this side, so easy to lift your mouse, you're getting additional support for your thumb, so you can lift the mouse very easily. Look at this, there is no support. And not only that, the keys are so soft. If I try to lift the mouse, the thumb clicks both the keys on the sides, both of them, and the index finger also clicks the fire button. So I don't know how can they make such soft keys, but if you use them properly, then fantastic. This keys are fantastic, very soft, very responsive. But the problem is there, they should have made it slightly harder, slightly more resilient to weight of the fingers. I don't know how can they make it so soft. Now let's look at the third and the final one. This razor unexpectedly landed at my place. At first I thought how the mouse will be with the optical keys and all, but then as I started using this mouse, it became very usable mouse, very responsive keys. I've been using small mouse for a long time now, as you can see, with this mouse and mouse before this. This is the only mouse I felt that the normal size one would have been much better for me. It's not the right size for my hand. Maybe my hands are too big, but when you say too big, this mouse feels perfect in my hand. Absolutely perfect. Secondly, then this mouse feels perfect in my hand, and then comes this mouse. So the perfect mouse I think is this, with this kind of a hump for my hand, which feels very natural and full support for my hand from right from front to back. Same goes for this. If you see, good support. Slightly there is a gap, but still there is support. But with this, you see the amount of gap over there. This is mostly like a claw grip, but I don't use claw. I use palm or fingertip. So this is very uncomfortable for my hand size. I think I need the normal size of this. If I have that, then this issue will be solved. Although the weight will be increased because this is a light mouse. I think Cooler Master made the perfect mouse with this, and they tried to improve with this, but they couldn't. I think this is still better. If you don't need RGB, then you better go for this, because if I had to buy one more of these, I would go one more for this instead of this, but I wouldn't buy one more of this. No. When it comes to Razer, yes, I would buy one more Razer, but this time I would buy the Viper. I would prefer the normal size one over this small mini. So guys, that was the review and a comparison, short comparison you wanted to hear from me about these mice. If I have to just rate it, right now I'm playing a game where I don't need to lift my mouse. If you need to lift your mouse, then you better go for this, because you get a nice support for your thumb to lift the mouse. If you don't need to lift your mouse, then I still say that with all its flaws, still the Logitech is more accurate, more versatile, more user friendly. You have to be careful that you don't keep your full finger. I mean, it's difficult, you know. You don't rest your fingers fully or they are pressed. It should not happen. It should be able to take a finger's weight, you know. Each key should be able to take a finger's weight. It's not able to. If that was not the flaw in this mouse, then this would have been very good mouse. That's the only con in this mouse, is these two can't take the weight of your fingers. There, you just keep your fingers and it's clicked. You can't say that with any other mouse. See, it takes the weight of your fingers very easily. Even this old one, it doesn't press. I have to press. You see the movement of my hand. Yeah. So much I have to press. For this, I have to just rest my hand. I have to lift. See, I have to lift my fingers. I'm not even pressing the buttons, and it's getting pressed. So, you don't need this mouse. This is a very unbiased review and comparison. So, in my old videos, as I said, this will be the hands down winner. No, it's not. It's the last. It comes last after the Razer. So here you have rank wise which one you should get. The Cooler Master. If you feel that the build quality is not good, go for the Razer. If you feel, again, the keys are too soft for you, go for the Razer. Weight, ease of use, Cooler Master, not this one. I want to remove this from the comparison. Just 3 of these. You want a wireless, Logitech, perfect. And I still say you get the normal size of this versus these two small. the normal size of this will beat these two in comparison. If I buy a normal size wiper, it will be better than both these mice, even though the weight will be more. While these two mice, although they are small, just like this mouse, they feel ergonomic and very handy. At least this one, very easily. So there you have it, guys, the comparison between these 4 mice. And I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button. I need the like button to be pressed by you guys, and please help me with that, pressing the like button. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And as always, guys, enjoy and have a nice day, and please take care of yourself. Please take care. Thank you for watching. Thank you.